Erin Condren order finally got here, so let's take a look. She always has nice packaging. First item is this beautiful Hello Kitty pin. I saw it and I had to have it. So pretty. I ended up choosing this one because it had more. The one with Hello Kitty only had 4 inside, and it only had the Hello Kitty on the sticker. This is the first time I get markers like this. I was so excited to see this. I got to pick my colors. It was customizable, which I liked, and I put my name on it. This is just so cute. I love Hello Kitty, and I ended up choosing to make it a sketchbook because I want to start drawing. I used to draw a long time ago, and I miss doing that. So you can choose like lined, dot, or just plain like a sketchbook. On the back it has stickers, and also the back cover you can write on it. Here's everything I bought: the Hello Kitty keychain and the sticky notes book. I got that with my first order. I really do like this collaboration. There are stuff still on the website that she did with Hello Kitty. There is a link down below that'll give you $10 off your first purchase, and go check out the website. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.